Hi guys, and this is an overview of the Smok Species Kit V2. So these are relatively new to the market. They've been out a little while, but they've been great so far. And I've got to say, Smok, your quality has been going up and up and up. So keep up the good work, because that's what we like to see. And I like having stock that I can sell to customers with confidence. So with these, we offer a 6-month warranty, which is great. So in the kit, you get the Smok Baby Beast V2, which is a really nice little tank actually. I'm quite impressed with these, and the coils have been decent. Very happy, well done Smok. Big adjustable airflow at the bottom, and the mesh coils in particular are great. With the top refill, it's nice and easy. You've got a little push button here, push that in, and then swivel the tank, the lid over, and you've got access to your refill port, the little kidney shape just there to refill your liquids in there, which is wonderful. A nice little satisfying click as you shut that, that's lovely. As for the device, well, it's got some nice features. It's very smart, very smart. You have, for a start, a decent battery door with a nice little latch there to keep your battery snug inside. That's great to see. And a lovely fire button down the side here, which we'll use here. Now this device is a touch screen, so that's nice to see too. Obviously you have each battery level display there, which is great. And there's a little padlock there. Currently the device is locked, which means it will fire, but the touchscreen is disabled. If you hold this little button down here, the padlock vanishes, and now you can change your power. Goes up to 230 watts, which is wonderful. Loads of power there. And you also have a nice menu here. You can set puff limits through your puff counter, other settings, etc. to do with the coils and things, and also you've got color changes here in your screen time. Obviously if you turn your screen time off, when you obviously fire it, the screen will activate and it will stay on for 60 seconds as standard. You can change that to a lower number if you want. That will give you a bit longer battery life, etc. And other features such as your modes, your temperature control, and how much power it hits on that coil straight away. So that's good too. So yeah, that's nice to see. Good bit of kit there, Smok. I'm quite impressed. So hopefully they'll continue this trend of higher quality, which is good to see and good for you guys too. Obviously in the box you get a couple of coils. So yeah, you've got the tank and 2 coils. There are a few coils for this tank now, so you can try different ones to see what you like the best. And yeah, good stuff. Well done Smok. That's the overview of the Species V2 kit, and I've got them in stock in a few different colours. So pop over and have a look. Thanks very much.